Hello, friends. Welcome to AQ by IAS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. And in today's session, we'll try to analyze the current status of China and Taliban relationship. So, friends, we know that Taliban has seized the power in Afghanistan, and we are witnessing the chaotic situation in Afghanistan. And these scenes are extremely disturbing. And while all these things are happening, China has come up with a statement. China has said that Taliban has become far more rational now. And they have urged other countries to be more objective while judging the Taliban now. Now, what might be the agenda of China behind all these statements? This is what we are going to be analyzing. See, if we go by the opinions of experts, then China's approach is guided by its economic interest in Afghanistan. Because we know that Afghanistan is home to so many rare earth minerals, and these minerals are available in abundance. Now, China wants to exploit all these minerals. Although the USA had a similar agenda, but they could not exploit these resources, and now they have withdrawn. So obviously China has an advantage now, and we are seeing the media reports of the USA, and they are already worried about Taliban and China cooperation. Now you have to understand one thing, that China made one more statement. They said they were already aware of this situation, they were expecting Taliban to take over. So they knew this thing. This is what they are claiming. But they added one more statement. They said nothing in the world is set in stone. It means things might change in the future. Okay. So why did they say that? Let me try to make you understand. They are saying that Taliban will have to reform itself. They will have to be more open, more inclusive, and more representative. And China has asked Taliban to avoid any kind of support to any terror groups. So this is the suggestion they have put forward for Taliban. And obviously now China has a strong advantage, and they are looking forward to exploiting the resources in Afghanistan. Now, from USA's perspective, obviously nothing can be done now. They have already withdrawn, and in the future we might have some official statements from the Biden administration, and as and when we get any information, we'll make another video on this issue. Now you have to understand one more fact, that Taliban will have to alter its image. Taliban will have to reform itself. The first thing they should be doing, they should be settling down internal disputes, because there are so many factions in Afghanistan, and all these factions are very strong, and there are so many disputes among all these factions. So Taliban should try to create the harmony among all these factions. And one more fact you have to understand, that China has one more agenda that is related to CPEC, China Pakistan Economic Corridor. So China is aggressively pushing this project, and since Taliban has captured the power, now this project will pick up the pace in Afghanistan now. So these points are important for your mains examination, and these are the points which are important for your mains examination, and I have provided the notes as well. You can download the PPT, and you can include all these points in your notes for GS2. So that's all I wanted to discuss in today's session. If you have liked our video, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. And I'm signing off. I'll see you in the next video soon. Thank you very much.